Last year, Shetland fans were left gutted when Douglas Henschel confirmed he was leaving his role as Detective Jimmy Perez. However, BBC bosses soon announced Ashley Jensen would be taking over as Di Ruth Calder. It is unclear when the drama will hit screens, but filming in Scotland is well underway as Ashley has been pictured filming with Alison O'Donnell, who plays her sidekick, Tosh. There will also be a star-studded cast joining Alison and Ashley in Series 8. Some of the famous faces making a guest appearance include Phyllis Logan, Guilt, Downtown Abbey, Jamie Sivs, Guilt, Annika, Dawn Steele, Holby City, Granite Harbour, Dom Gillet, EastEnders, Sherwood, and Louise Ross, River City, Katie Morag, and Lorraine McIntosh, Outlander, My Name is Joe. The guest cast will also be welcomed by the regular stars of Shetland, Stephen Robertson, who plays DC Sandy Wilson, Lewis Howden as Sergeant Billy McCabe and Kidd, who plays Cora McLean. Angus Miller will also be back to play Donnie, Connor McCary as PC Alex Grant and finally, Yuba Accolade, who plays PC Lorna Burns. Originally based on award-winning novels by crime writer Anne Cleeves, the new series sees Met Police Detective Inspector Ruth Calder return to her native Shetland to retrieve the vulnerable witness to a gangland murder. Tosh must pause her investigation into a string of mysterious animal deaths to help Di Calder find the witness before it's too late. However, the new detective's hostility to Shetland will challenge Tosh's view of her adopted home and their journey into the darker recesses of Shetland's past and present. It will also put their new fragile partnership to the test. Speaking about filming for the latest series, Gaynor Holmes, commissioning editor for the BBC said, "We couldn't be more delighted to see Shetland return with such a stellar cast and a brand new, taut and thrilling murder mystery to keep audiences on the edge of their seats. We're very excited to see the show embark on this fantastic new chapter, with its unique blend of haunting atmosphere, rich character and emotional storytelling." Kate Bartlett, executive producer for Silverprint Pictures added, "We're so excited about this new series of Shetland with Ashley and Alison and all our wonderful returning and guest cast. Paul Logue has created a distinctive and emotionally complex story, set against the stunning and evocative landscape of the Shetland Isles. Don't miss Coronation Street Legends real-life mum cast as part of Murder Plot. Latest, Varys Riley Jones on change to character as he addresses future. Exclusive, Emmerdale fans work out Layla's stalker after Caleb betrayal. Spoilers, we're thrilled to be making this new series with such incredible Scottish talent." Shetland viewers were left in tears towards the end of Series 7 when Jimmy said an emotional goodbye to Tosh. The detective decided to move away from the island because he needed to put his relationship first. However, when news of Douglas' replacement was confirmed, fans were divided by the show's choice. At the time of the announcement, Ashley also admitted she had big shoes to fill. "I am absolutely thrilled to be joining Shetland as Di Ruth Calder," the actress said at the time. "It's such a hugely successful show and I am aware I have very big boots to fill since the departure of Di Perez, who was very much loved by fans of the show." Shetland is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.